Namaskar parents, good morning kids, how are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. I am your Achal ma'am from New Era Global School. So our today's video will start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes everyone. God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love, God's wonderful love, so high you can't get over it, so deep you can't get under it, so wide you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love, God's wonderful love, God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful, God's love, it's so wonderful, oh wonderful love, God's wonderful love. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you feel fresh. Okay, so our today's video will start with revision, right? So today we revise 3-letter words having E sound. And what is the phonic sound of E, kids? What is the phonic sound of E? E says A. E says A. Okay, so shall we start? So which picture is this? K, E, G, K, G, K, E, G, K, G, cake. L, E, G, leg, L, E, G, leg, leg, leg यानी पैर, leg यानी पैर. P, E, G, peg, P, E, G, peg, peg, पैग यानी चिमटी, जिसपे जब मम्मा कपड़े सुखाती है तो उस पे क्या लगाते हैं? पैग, ताकि कपड़े उड़ ना जाए. देन ब, ए, ग, बेग, ब, ए, ग, बेग, बैग, बैग यानी मागना, बैग यानी मागना. देन प, ए, पेन, प, ए, पेन, पेन, पेन यानी we write with pen and pencil, right? So now which cluster is this? Ant cluster. Which cluster is this? Ant cluster. D, E, den, D, E, den, den, den यानी कौन रहता है den में? Lion, right? Lion lives in jungle in den. Then t, e, ten, t, e, ten, ten. Hen, 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 hen यानी मुर्गी, hen यानी मुर्गी. म, men, म, men, men, men यानी आदमी, men यानी आदमी. So our 3-letter words having E sound and N cluster with A cluster is done. Okay kids, so yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday we learned letter W. And what is the phonic sound of W? W. What is the phonic sound of W? W. So yesterday we learned how to write small letter W. So today also we learn how to write W in worksheet. So first let's revise W sound with pictures. W, what is the phonic sound of W? W. What is the phonic sound of W? W, W, W. For wool. Very good. W, W, W. For watch. Very good kids. W, W, W. For watch. W, W, W. For water. W, for water. W, W, W. For wall. W, W, W. For wall. W, W, W. For for will. For window. Window यानी खिड़की. Window यानी खिड़की. So today we learn letter W in our test, in our worksheet. So take out your worksheet, everyone. So take out your English worksheet, everyone. And our today's class work is in English worksheet, page number 58. Page number 58. Take out page number 58, everyone. Okay. So shall we start our today's class work? Winnie was sitting near the window. Winnie was sitting near the window. Winnie कहाँ पे बैठी थी? Near the window. And drinking, she is drinking water. She is drinking water. Water means पानी. She wear a watch. And on her wrist, she wear a watch. On her wrist, she wear a woolen clothes in the winter. Yes, she wear a woolen clothes in a winter. वो कैसे कपड़े पहनती थी? गर्म कपड़े. कब? विंटर सीजन में, राइट. Color the watch and paste brown paper on its belt. So अब सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? वॉच को कलर करना है और बेल्ट में पेपर पेस्ट करने. ओके. सो दिस इज अवर होमवर्क पार्ट. यस, ये आपको होमवर्क में करना है. सो टुडेज क्लास वर्क इज इन इंग्लिश वर्कशीट, पेज नंबर 58. फर्स्ट वी ट्रेस द लेटर and then we circle the letter in the given picture below. So are you all ready? Okay. So circle the letter W in the picture given below. Circle the letter W in the picture given below. So which picture is this, kid? W for window. Winnie was sitting near the window. Winnie कहाँ पे बैठी थी? विंडो के पास. W says walk. So circle the letter W. Then which picture is this? Water. Which picture is this? Water. And W says walk. W says walk for water. So where is W here? So circle on it. Then which picture is this? Wool. Yes. She wears a woolen clothes in winter. So woolen clothes किससे बनते हैं? Wool से. Then for wool. So circle the letter W. So our class work part. So our circle the letter W in the picture given below is done. Now trace the letter W. Which letter is this? W. So first we trace the capital letter W. Slant line down to another slant line. Slant line. Slant line. W says walk. W says walk. So now small letter W. Right side slanting line. Left side slanting line. Right side slanting line. Another left side slanting line. Makes the letter W. So first page class work is in English worksheet, page number 58. So our first page class work is done. Now turn your page, everyone. Okay, so are you all ready for today's class work? So take out page number 59. Page number 59. Okay, kids. So trace and write the letter W. Which letter is this? Small letter W. So kids, yesterday we learned how to write small letter W in our textbook. Like this. First, we circle the beginning sound of W or beginning sound of object. Then our class work is in textbook. So today we learn how to write small letter W in worksheet. Take out page number 59. Very good, kids. Now trace and write the letter W. So first we write classwork. So write CW here. And are you happy today? So make a smiley. Yes, we are happy today. Right? You are happy now? Very good. Now how we write the letter W? Between two blue lines. Very good. Okay, between two blue lines. First, in two lines, we trace the letter W. Okay, between two blue lines, slanting line, up to down, down to up. Then another slanting line makes the letter W. And what is the phonic sound of W? W says W. W says W. Slanting line, another slanting line, another slanting line, and makes the letter W. Yesterday we learned zigzag line, right? So we make a zigzag line and we make a W. Easy, right? Between two blue lines, right side slanting line, left side slanting line, right side slanting line, again left side slanting line, makes the letter W. आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि? Okay, between two blue lines we make a slanting line, another slanting line, and slanting line makes the letter W. And what is the phonic sound of W, kids? W says W. W says W. Okay, now our second trace part. W for watch. W for watch. Watch we wear in wrist. Very good. W for wrist. Okay. Between two blue lines we write the letter W. Like this. Very good. W says W. So our trace part is done. Now writing time. How we write the letter W, kid? Between two blue lines. Yes. First we make a slanting line. Which side? Right side slanting line, left side slanting line. Right side slanting line, left side slanting line makes the letter W. And W says W. W, W, W for watch. W, W, W for wrist. W, W, W for will. W, W, W for window. Right? W says W. W says W, W, W. Now our last line, slanting line, down to up, another slanting line, then again slanting line, then again slanting line. Okay? Zigzag line. We make the zigzag line. Right side slanting line, up to down, down to up to down, down to up. Makes the letter W. Up to down, down to up to down, down to up. Makes the letter W. Up to down, down to up to down, down to up. Makes the letter W. And W says W. So today's class is in English worksheet page number 58 and 59. Page number 58 and 59. Okay. So first we learn. So first what we do today? First we trace the letter W and circle the letter W in the picture given below. And which picture is this? Window, water, wool. Very good. Then we trace the letter W. So remember kids, today's homework is color the watch and paste the brown paper on its belt. हमें क्या करना है? बेल्ट के ऊपर brown paper stick करने हैं. Then our today's homework, half page is in homework, page number 59. Okay kids? So first we trace the letter W, same as classwork. First we trace the letter W, then we write the letter W. And how we write the letter W, kids? Slanting line, another slanting line. We make the letter W. So our class work and homework part is done. So now our today's video will end with Shanti part. So join your hands, close your eyes. Om Yah Shanti Antarishk Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapah Shanti Roshadayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shanti Vishvadevah Shanti Sama Shanti Rehi. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay kids, bye everyone. Enjoy your awesome day.